Research complete.
Hey, hello guys, my name is Pradeep Kumar. Let's start a new project, how we can create an automatic obstacle detect robot car. This one is our part 2 and this one is our playlist Labview plus Arduino plus Visa. Before starting this video, you need to watch the part number 1 of this project. Now I will tell you, yes, this is important thing. First visit video part 1, after it's continue part number 2. Because this video depends on the part number 1 and like wiring connections and components are same as video part number 1. In this video one component added, that is servo motor. In this video I will tell you servo motor connection, other wiring connection you need to do help of video part number 1. Yes, and open YouTube and search Labview robot car. This one is our part 1. Okay, link in description, go and visit. First I will show you the hardware. Okay, this one is same for our video 1. Okay, everything is same, and I'm using this servo motor for this video. Okay, the other component are same. Now let's come on the circuit diagram of our servo motor. Yeah, this one is our servo motor. Okay, let me turn. In the servo motor have a 3 wire. Okay, one is brown you need to connect the GND. Okay, help of this GND of your Arduino UNO. And center one is red wire you need to connect the VCC 5 volt of your Arduino UNO. Okay, help of bus bar or we can say breadboard, I'm connected to the Arduino. And next one is a main important signal wire. Okay, signal wire you need to connect pin number 9 of your Arduino UNO. Okay, I will draw. Yeah, this one is signal wire. Okay, and you need to connect directly to pin number 9 of our Arduino UNO, this one. Okay, yes, and other very important thing, this one ECHO pin and TRIG pin. This one is our ultrasonic pin, you see, TRIG and ECHO. In the part number 1 I use this pin A3 and A4 for ultrasonic, but in this video I little modification, and that is A3 pin I'm using right now A0. Okay, ECHO pin, and A4 pin in this video I'm using the A1 pin of TRIG, this one, and other is same. Okay, now let's come on the programming part. First Arduino UNO ID programming, after let's come on the Arduino UNO. Okay, it's very important guys. Yes guys, I will explain a single step. Okay, and please pause the video and write a code. Yes, first imported 2 libraries. For one is new ping, that is ultrasonic. Second is servo. Okay, help of servo I'm created one variable, that is my servo. Yes, and this one is constant define variable. Using the hash define I'm using the TRIG pin, trigger pin of our Arduino UNO A0. Okay, and ECHO pin connect to the A1 pin, this one. Okay, next is maximum distance and define here 2000. Okay, next one is using the new ping. Okay, this one is our library new ping. Okay, and create one variable, that is sonar. Okay, in the sonar there have 3 parameter you need to define. First TRIG pin, this one A0. Second is ECHO pin, which pin number A1, this one. Okay, next one is maximum distance, this one. Yes, next one is this one, is our we can say motor driver pins. Okay, left motor forward pin number 5, left motor backward pin number 4 of our Arduino UNO, and right motor forward pin number 3, and last one is pin number 2. Okay, when you go to the circuit diagram and see, I already defined here this one, input 1, input 2, input 3, input 4 to pin number Arduino UNO. And I'm create a 4 variable, one is character Labview and other 3 is integer data type. Yes, let's come on the word setup for declare the ones. Yes, I'm defining a serial.begin 9600. This one is our Arduino UNO baud rate. I'll just connect Arduino UNO, and when you click to serial monitor and you see right, I'm selected 9600 baud rate. Okay, Next one is my servo dot attach. Okay, this one is my servo variable dot attach parameter, which pin number you need to connect servo motor. I already defined, I'm using the pin number 9, that's why I'm entering a 9. Next one, pin mod right motor folder. This one is our motor driver output connection or motor connection, and all are output, not input, because we need to control the motor. That's why 4 pins are output. Okay, a left and right motor. Yes. Next one is void loop. This one for continuity operation. Void loop, I'm using only this code. Okay, and other thing is our functions like void stop and move forward, like this. This one is our complete void setup. Now let's come on the void loop. Yeah, and please pause the video and write a code step by step. Yeah. Next, I'm define simple serial.println. This one is simple message. Okay, and define using the Labview. I already define here. You see, I'm using this data type character. Okay, Labview equal to serial.read means when you open the serial monitor, okay, or Labview, you enter any character. Okay, like I'm give the A, okay, or 1 or 2, anything, and this character store in this variable, that is Labview. Okay, this one. And I'm create a condition if Labview equal 1, if someone in the serial monitor enter 1, okay, and this condition is execute, this one. And this one is our function auto sensing. When you go to this function, and let's see in the downside, you see void function, this one auto sensing. Okay, yes. And yeah, now next condition, else if Labview, if someone enter S, then this condition is execute, that is move stop. Okay, means your robot that time stop condition. Okay, let's search move stop. This one is our function, and in this function I'm write this code. Okay, this one is your motor stop condition. Yeah, now this void loop also complete. Please pause the video and write a code. Yeah, now because I'm going to step by step. Next one is this one int. This one is for your ultrasonic sensor range. Okay, I'm create this int function. This one is int function because it's give the return value. Okay, help with this we can easy to read ultrasonic range in anywhere in this code. Okay, yeah. First I'm give the some delay millisecond. Okay, and I'm create a int centimeter. This is the one variable, and in this variable store the value of our ultrasonic sensor range. This one using sonar. Why I'm using sonar? Because I already define here variable, that is sonar, you see. Okay, and yes, sonar dot ping centimeter, this value stored in cm, and I'm using the return cm. Okay, help with this you can easy to read anywhere in the code. Yeah, yes. Now let's come on the next one. This one is void move stop. This one is function move stop, means your motor, or we can say your robot is stop condition if you enter this function. Yeah, in this function I'm define serial.println. This one is status motor stop, and this one is parameter digital write, and right motor forward, left motor forward, right motor backward, and left motor backward. Means in this project I'm using the 2 motor, and in the 2 motor they have both direction, clockwise, anti-clockwise, or we can say forward or reverse, or we can say backward. Yeah, same. I'm using the low 4 pins are low, means your motor is stop condition. Okay, this one is your motor driver pins. Yes. Next one is our void move forward. This one is move forward function. In this same parameter you need to copy and paste here, but you need to change this one high and low. Okay, move forward, you already know about this word. Forward means forward, move your motor rotate clockwise direction, or we can say robot move forward direction. That time left motor and right motor of forward you need to give the high command. Okay, and backward you need to give the low command, means your both motor rotating clockwise direction. Simple. Yeah, same for same for move backward, or we can say motor backward, but right now I'm using the move. Okay, this function move backward, same opposite of move forward. Okay, in this in the move forward I'm using the high of left and right motor forward, but in this condition left and right forward sorry, left and right backward, okay, I'm using the high. This one is opposite because this one is backward. Okay, same thing. Yeah, please pause the video and write a code. Next is void move right side. Okay, serial dot println move right, motor move right side. Same, copy all parameters and change this thing, that is in the left motor forward I'm using the high, right motor backward, that is high backward. You see, backward and forward means in that time your one motor rotate clockwise direction and second motor rotate anti-clockwise direction. That's time your robot start to rotate. Okay, this one is motor right and this one is motor left. Same parameter, copy and paste, but they have a opposite of this, high and low. You can see forward and backward, left and right I'm using the low, and the backward and forward of left right I'm using the high. Please pause the video and write a code. Next one is void. Now this one is our servo function. Okay, servo right means your motor, servo motor rotate right direction, and in this function I'm write a code my servo dot right, which direction or which angle I'm using the 0 angle. Okay, and I'm using the message that is looking right side. Okay, this one is delay 500 millisecond. Yes, and next one is your servo left. Okay, serial dot println looking left. Okay, my servo dot right, this one is 180 degree. Okay, and delay 500. Same for void servo front. Okay, and I'm entering a message servo dot println looking front and the angle is 90 degree. Okay, yeah, next is very important. This one is our main auto sensing. In the starting I already defined this one. Okay, in the Labview, if in the Labview you enter 1, okay, serial monitor, then this function is execute. Okay, auto sensing, please remember. Yeah, this one, void sensing. Yes, in this I'm defining an int data. Okay, in the data I'm using the read function, read ping function. This one is ultrasonic function. Oh, okay, and we already created here. I will show you. Yeah, this one, read function. Okay, and it's give the return value centimeter, means it's give the range in cm. Okay, help of this we can easy to read the value. That's why I'm using the read function ping to our data, this one. Okay, and this one is simple delay. Help of this data we create a condition. If data is less than 30, means if some obstacle detect of your robot, front of your robot, then this condition is execute. In this I'm defining a serial.print searching, simple message. That time your motor stop. Okay, first when some object detect by your robot, then your robot stop. Okay, for a while, and after that a few seconds it's servo right, means your or we can say servo start for searching or ultrasonic sensor move right side. Okay, and this function you already know, this one is servo right and yeah, front left, and this one is right, means this function is execute. Servo rotate 0 degree and message is looking right. Yeah, same. And using the same read ping function, ultrasonic value store in data1 in the right side, this one. Okay, right side distance store in data1, and this next I'm using the servo front. Okay, same after complete this step servo right, the your servo rotate in front side, and same data store in another variable, that is data2. This one is your front distance store in data2. Next one is servo left. Okay, rotating after complete this step, your servo motor rotate left side and read the left side data and store in data3. And this one is comment. Okay, this one is not used. Okay, next one is after complete left step, your servo motor rotate front side. Okay, in the front and 100 delay. Yeah. Okay, after this condition, okay, in this condition it store the value data1. Data1 is your servo right, means right side distance, and data 2 is your front distance and data 3 is your left distance. Okay, help of this we are creating another condition, this one. Okay, I'm using if data 1 is greater than 40. Okay, if data 1 is greater than 40, then your motor move backward. Okay, move back means your robot move backward for 2 seconds. Okay, then motor your robot rotate right side for 2 seconds, then your motor rotate, or we can say robot rotate front side. Okay, this one is activate when and some object nearby or we can say front of your robot. Next one is else if data 2 is which one, this front means if some object front of your robot, okay, data 2 is greater than 40 means there have no obstacle in the front of your robot, then your robot rotate forward direction using this function. Next one is else if data 3 is greater than 40. Okay, then your move, or we can say robot move backward side for 2 seconds, then rotate left side for 2 seconds, after it's move forward side, this one. Yeah, this one is condition is done. This one, yes, if some object nearby your robot. Yeah, if there are, when you turn on your project or activity your project, if there have no any obstacle detect in front of your sensor, then this condition is execute. Else this one move forward means your robot start forward direction. Okay, and using the 500 milliseconds. Yeah, okay, now everything is done, and please write a code step by step. Now click to verify. Yes, and using this upload button, upload to your Arduino UNO. I already uploaded. Okay, now let's come on the Labview coding. Yes guys, now I will tell you step by step. Okay, now what you do, first right click on the block diagram and go to instrument IO, Visa, and pin this one. Yes, first you see I am using the Visa open, go advanced, click and drag here. Same Visa close, this one, drag here. And next one is you see Visa read, this one is read function, help of this read the status. Okay, and right we control, or we can say activate our project, or we can say robot. Yeah, help of this select all, press control space and control W, you see. Okay, right click here Visa and click to label, and you see Visa read, same this thing. Okay, same this. Yeah, next is you need to create a loop, that is while loop for continuity operation. Now right click, go to structure and create a while loop and drag between this. Yeah, okay, and this one is stop button, same here, right click and create a control. Okay, but right now I already done this. Yes, now let's delete this one. Now, and Visa read, there have byte count, this one. Okay, this byte count is dependent upon your masses. Okay, and this one is your motor status. Okay, this one is define the motor status, means your servo searching left side or right side, and your robot rotate forward direction or stop condition, like this. Next one is Visa write. Okay, Visa write, there are two conditions in the Arduino, you or I think you remember, and that is this one. If Labview equal 1, then auto sensing function activate. If Labview equal less, then your robot stop condition. Okay, and please remember, and if sometime your robot is when you click to when you give the ask command in Labview, and it's take like 15 to 30 seconds for stop, then what you do, you need to change the value here, this one. Okay, you need to give the like 10. Okay, like this. If you give the 10, then it's stop in like 2 or 3 seconds. Okay, when you give the 5, then it stop like 2 seconds. Okay, if you remove this one, then your robot start within 1 second. Okay, but right now I will use the 500. Yeah, okay, yes, now this one. Okay, but right now I'm using the condition. Okay, this button. Okay, I'm created this loop, go to structure and create a sorry, yeah, create a case structure here. Okay, this case structure operate boolean, okay, as well as numeric and lots of things, but right now I'm using the boolean state. Okay, I'm using the button, stop button. Okay, and this one connected to this one our case structure. And if someone is press this button, then it's go to true, means this condition, and give the else means your robot stop condition. Okay, in the Arduino IDE programming. Yeah, when if someone is not press this one or click to run directly, then it's go to false condition, and in the false you need to enter the value 1, then your robot activate. Okay, there have a two option to stop your robot. One is you need to enter directly yes here. Okay, other is you need to click this one. Both are working fine. Okay, yes, now everything is done. I will delete yeah, yes, now first let's remove your Arduino Uno and reconnect. Yes, and let's see, I already researched on this. Okay, that's why there have lots of COM port. Click to refresh and select your latest COM 36. Okay, right now click to run and see the status. Yeah, now see the status in Labview. Motor move forward direction. Okay, and yes, in the hardware, if some object nearby this sensor, it's search from left, right, and front. Then it's move if yes guys, now you can see it's rotated forward direction. Okay, when object nearby this sensor, it's searching from left, right, and front, you see. Okay, in the lab you see the status, motor move back, then right, and right now the forward direction. It's working well. Okay, now let's take another example. See, in the lab you back, then right. Okay, now the forward direction.